a number of years ago, within our indigenous environmental network that involves indigenous relatives throughout the world, I had to consult with our spiritual authorities about, is this something to take part in? And they deliberated, each individually, thought about it, and they said, it's part of prophecy. Here in the north, long time ago, hundreds of years ago, the settlers, the colonialists, didn't understand us. And many still do not understand us as indigenous peoples, our cosmovision, the way we view our existence on the sacredness of Mother Earth, but also Father Sky and the cosmos with the Star Nation. But they said this is a time when they said this was prophecy, that some of them throughout the world who may not be indigenous, they may be lawyers, but they're starting to look at their colonial legal systems that need to change. So they said, go ahead and take part, so that there is an indigenous presence. So I can say I'm here with the permission of the spiritual authorities where I come from. Yat et beshlejeni na shli, o the kota basha shichi, ha medakiapi, ampetu kede iyuha, chande washtea iyu, washtea, nga na pe to use apedo. I am both Southern Dene, for you people that know about the Northern Dene. The Northern Dene have relatives in the South called Navajo and Apache. And also the people in California, Athabascan. So Southern Dene, my mom, my other relatives are the, but they were Kantawan Dakota, the Eastern Dakota Sioux. So I'm going to sing this song, if I have your permission. Thank you.
Are they okay to film it? It's okay for you to film.
Hey
ya, hey, 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 yo, hey, ya, hey, hey, ya, hey, yo, hey, 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 way ya, hey, 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 yo, hey, ya, hey, ya, hey, yo, hey, hey, way ya, ya, hey, hey, ya, hey, yo, hey, hey, yo. Ik chewi chasha chanupa, hey ya kipi ya, ho ye ya yo, hey, one bleak lishka, oh ya de, hey, one kantan ya, kia uwe lo, hey, one kan ya, kia uwe lo, So thank you very much, and we're very proud to have one of our relatives, our young woman, because I'm an elder now. It's good we want to recognize the chair of our tribunal, a native woman, Heather, to be in this leadership position, so I just want to recognize her. So I thank our folks here that welcomed you. These are ways that we have as indigenous peoples. And I really feel blessed that we have indigenous relatives from South America that are going to be some of the witnesses today that traveled a long ways, some experts. So this is going to be a very important occasion. Throughout the day, it is ceremony. It is ceremony. Anytime we talk about the environment, anytime we talk about the four elements of water, air, soil, and the fire of understanding, this is sacred work to us. And that's why I'm saying it's good that you're all here and opened up with your medicines. So this is an ongoing ceremony throughout the day. So let's open up our minds and our hearts. Thank you very much. Ha, Bidakie Awase.